Next, scale 6. Listen for who and what with multiple nouns. In this scale, when there is more than one noun in a sentence in the short dialogues, it is common for the answers to confuse which noun does what. So di skill ini bakal ada lebih dari satu kata benda atau noun dalam satu kalimat. Dan yang pastinya itu bisa membuat kita bingung untuk memilih jawaban mana yang benar. Jadi, the strategy on this skill, all we have to do is just to focus on this noun does this what, and ignore that noun does that what. Jadi strategi di skill ini tuh kita fokus aja ke kata benda ini melakukan ini dan mengabaikan kata benda lain melakukan kata kerja lain. Jadi dalam satu soal itu bakal ada dua noun atau kata benda yang melakukan pekerjaan. So now let's move into number 1.
Short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of who is doing what. Number 1. The passenger arrived in a taxi.
Yes, and then she had the taxi driver wait at the corner.
What does the woman mean?
So in the number 1, the man said the passenger arrived in a taxi, and the woman said, yes, and then she had the taxi driver wait at the corner. Jadi dari soal ini ada dua noun atau dua kata benda, yaitu the passenger arrived in a taxi atau penumpang sudah tiba di dalam taksi. Namun ada noun lain yaitu ada sentence lain yaitu the passenger membuat pengemudi taksi menunggu di ujung. Jadi jawabannya itu bisa kita simpulkan bahwa si taksi drivernya ini tuh menunggu si penumpangnya. Dan jawaban yang tepat itu yang opsi C. The cab driver waited for the passenger. Next, number 2.
Number 2.
Did you go to the concert last night?
Yes, it was great. And I got to hear Jane play the harp.
What does the woman mean?
Dan di nomor 2 ini ada dua kata benda juga dan dua kejadian, yaitu the woman went to the concert last night and the woman got to hear Jane play the harp. But also there is Jane play the harp. Jadi bisa disimpulkan dari conversation tadi bahwa the woman mendengarkan Jane yang memainkan harpa di the concert last night. So the right answer probably the option B. Jane gave harp recital last night because it is obvious in the conversation that said by the woman, yes, it was great, and I got to hear Jane play the harp. Dari kalimat Jane play the harp itu memiliki makna yang sama dengan Jane gave a harp recital last night. So the answer is B. Next, number 3.
Number 3.
Did the children like the new babysitter?
Not really, because she made them go to bed early.
What does the man mean?
The woman said, the woman asked, did the children like the new babysitter? And the man said, not really, because she made them go to bed early. Jadi di soal ini tuh ada dua noun dan dua kejadian di mana si the children itu gak terlalu suka sama new babysitternya karena babysitternya itu membuat mereka tidur cepat. Jadi ada dua kejadian, yaitu the children didn't really like the new babysitter, and the new babysitter made the children go to bed early. So it means that because the man said the children not really like the new babysitter, we can conclude that the children were forced to go to bed early. Jadi jawaban yang tepat itu yang opsi B, the children were forced to go to bed early.